So all of these people, the great stories which I discussed about the great people, all of these had challenges in their life. The fact is that they never gave up. Ultimately went on to become successful. I discussed so many stories about people who had success in their material life and people who had success in their spiritual life. And all of these people, they struggled, they worked hard, and finally they reached success. That's why in English there is a famous statement, one of my favorite statements. It is, a winner never quits and a quitter never wins. So if somebody has to win, they should not quit the race. The moment you quit means there is no opportunity or there is no option to achieve success. So that is the point. Now we are going to the third part of the discussion, and that is, what is the secret of success? We heard what is success. We heard so many interesting stories about people who achieved success. Now what is the secret? What is the most important thing to get success? And that secret is the strength of the mind, self-discipline, self-control, or mind control. So Krishna in Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter, 5th verse, he actually narrates a beautiful shloka which explains about the mind. He says, Uddhared atmanatmanam natmanam avasadayet atmaiva hi atmano bandhur atmaiva ripuratmanah. So Krishna is saying here, Uddhared atmanatmanam. So one must deliver himself with the help of his mind. Natmanam avasadayet, and not degrade himself. So for us to grow or to fall, it is left to us. That is a point here. Then he says, Atmaiva hi atmano bandhur. The mind is a good friend for us if we control it, or Atmaiva ripu. Ripu means enemy. Atmaiva ripuratmanaha. If we don't control our mind becomes our deadly enemy. So if we control our mind becomes friend. If we don't control our mind becomes enemy, and our own mind will destroy us. So that is the point. So that is why controlling mind is very, very important. So how to control mind? Yes, we have to control our mind, but how to control mind? So I give few tips to control the mind. So the first tip is to understand this formula. I call it as ABCD formula. And what is this ABCD formula? So it is actually acronym. A stands for association. So meaning good association. I always give this famous story about a drop of water. When you take a drop of water and put it on a hot dosa pan or hot dosa tawa, what happens? It evaporates and gets destroyed. So the same drop of water, when you put it on a lotus leaf, do you know what happens? It very elegantly glides down and gets destroyed. So the same drop of water, when it is kept in a conch shell, you know what happens? It becomes pearl, moti, most valuable gem. So the point is, the drop of water is same, but with the association of hot dosa pan, it evaporated. With the association of lotus leaf, it just fell down. But with the association of conch shell, it became pearl. So in our life also, with whom are we associating makes a big difference. I'll give you another example, another story from Ramayana. In Ramayana, we see there is Kaikeyi. Who is Kaikeyi? Mother of Bharat. She was a Maharani of Ayodhya, the queen of Ayodhya. And Dasharath had 3 wives, and Dasharath liked Kaikeyi the most. Meaning Kaikeyi is the most prominent queen of Ayodhya. But whom did she associate with? Manthara. A Manthara who was a crooked lady. She associated with that lady.